Tides table. Predicting the ocean rates. Tide tables are prediction of the times and heights of high and low tides for a specific location. They are essential tools for various activities including navigation, fishing, coastal engineering, and recreational water sports. These tables typically cover a year and provide data on a daily, monthly, or annual basis. Link icon. How tide tables work. The creation of tide tables involves complex calculation considering various factors influencing tides, such as the gravitational pull of the sun and moon, the Earth's rotation, and the shape of the coastline and seabed. Historical specialized machines were used for this calculation. Today, sophisticated computer models are employed. The resulting predictions are usually given relative to a specific vertical datum, such as the mean low water MLLW in the US. Link icon. Types and accessibility of tide tables. Tide tables are available in various formats. Traditional paper-based tables were common but are now largely superseded by readily accessible online versions. Many websites and apps provide tide information for thousands of locations worldwide. The NOAA, for example, provides tide prediction for over 3,000 locations along the U.S. coastline. The online resources often offer more than just high and low tide times. They may also include early tide heights and graphical representations. Link icon. Distinguishing tide tables from tide charts. It's important to differentiate between tide tables and tide charts. While both relate to tidal predictions, tide tables focus on the time and heights of high and low tides, while tide charts present a visual representation of water levels throughout a bay or estuary over time. Tide charts are typically more detailed and cover shorter periods. Using tide tables effectively. Use a tide table effectively, you need to know the specific location for which you require the information. The accuracy of the prediction can vary depending on the location, and the sophistication of the predictive model used. Always check the source of the information to ensure its reliability.